your name tags. So first of all, I wanted to show you, here's a little printing tip that I figured out a little while ago. It's pretty simple. There's a little embedded white box on top of every label page or every name tag page. So to cover up areas, all you have to do is drag it where you need to cover. Let's say I don't need these 3 bottom ones. Put it here. I can drag it from the corner and cover up that area. Now if you needed only these 3, you don't have to waste the ink on printing out these bottom ones. So that is one way to do it. If you want to cover up multiple spaces on it, you can just copy that one box and paste it. And now you can cover multiple areas. And again, you can just shrink these. Just like so. So I just needed this one and this one. You just cover it up. And now you're not wasting that ink right there. Another way to do it is, let's see, another label set. Let's work with, I have these little girls right here. Another trick that I just discovered that I'm really liking is to trim out the labels altogether. This may not work for you depending on what version of PowerPoint you have. This is PowerPoint 2011, so I believe all the newer ones have this option. I do also have PowerPoint 2008, and it does not do this, so it will just depend on which one you have. If you cannot crop images, then you will have to go with the little box on the corner. So if you do have this option, this is how you play with it to save on that ink. So I do save all my labels and all of my name tags as images, so you are free to move them around. So this is a huge benefit to you because that means that you will be able to use my new little trick. All you have to do is double click on the image, which is everything here except for the words. So I'll double click on the image itself. It'll pull up this little menu over here on the menu bar. It'll pull up this little option called crop. Now in your version of PowerPoint, it might pop up somewhere else. This is just where mine happens to be. I'll hit crop. And let's say I just need this little girl right here with a little hairband. So I will just go ahead and bring that little line all the way down to here. Leave a little bit of space on top just to make sure you have the border when you are cropping them, when you're trimming them down with your scissors or your paper trimmer. I'll go ahead and do the same thing down here. And now I just have that one little girl that I needed. I can just go ahead and delete all these areas, all these text boxes, and now I just have this one name tag that I need. Let's say I needed another little girl on that one name tag. I can still use it. All I have to do is copy it, paste it, and I will double click it again, hit crop, and it'll show the rest of the pictures here, the rest of the images. Let's say I need this one on top here. Go up here, right above it, right there, click out of it, and now you can just drag it down over here. And now you have 2 name tags that you need. Let's go and get another one from a different page. Let's go with this little girl right there in the middle. Double click it again. And this option is perfect for when you have new students come in and you don't want to print up a whole sheet of name tags when you just need 1 or 2. So we'll go ahead and grab it from here, copy it. Actually, just cut it. Either copy or cut is fine. Go ahead and go to your page that you're going to be printing, paste it, and now you have those labels that you need on one page, and you can fill up this whole page if you would like to. Now for your text box, go ahead and copy it, right click and paste it, right click again, paste again, and there are my name tags. Now don't forget to change your fonts. I'm seeing a lot of these name tags and labels out there on Instagram and Facebook, and people are not changing the fonts. Don't forget you can also change your fonts. So if I want to change to the one that I used on my samples, it is KG Always a Good Time. Now, I probably wouldn't do that like in kindergarten or first grade, but starting in second grade, they're good with cursive. So let's go ahead and type the names. This little girl's name Melissa. And then you can play with the colors that you would like to play with. Let's say her color is purple. And that's it. If you have any questions, please feel free to go ahead and contact me through the email address on the file. You can also leave me a Q&A and I will get back to you. Thank you.